everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write a program or how to create a program of converters like currency converters, time converters, distance converters using packages in Java. What is the use of packages? So using packages, you can write the program easily, and if anywhere in the program error occurs, you can debug it easily. And it has many more applications. You will come to know at the end of the video the main application of packages. So you can see here I have created a folder named ytrec, and inside that folder I have created a Java file rec.java, and I'm going to use this rec.java as main function. Okay, so after creating this folder and Java class, you will see Java projects down of timeline. I'm using Visual Studio Code, so this is how we will create a project in Visual Studio Code. So down the timeline, you will find Java projects. If you have created a project or folder like this, like this, any name you can give for your folder, uh, you should click on Java project, and the folder you have created here, it will appear here. You need to right click on it, and here you will see many more options. So you should select new package, and you should give the package names. So I am going to create a currency converter, distance converter, and time converter. So for each converter I will create each packages, which means 3 packages. So first I will create for currency converters. So I will give package name as cc.java. I will click on enter. So now you can see here is the package created with the name of cc.java, but you can see here the package has not appeared yet, because inside the package you need to create a class. Without class, the package is none of the use. So to create class, just hover on the package, and here plus icon, click on it. It will ask input the class name. So I will input the class name as currency c dot java. Enter. So now you can see the package has been appeared in the screen, and here is the class you have created, currency c. So like this I will create another 2 packages for distance converter and time converter. So as you can see, I have created 3 packages. One is for currency, another one is for distance, and another one is for time converter. So inside this package you can see I have created a class also, and inside this class you need to write the program or create the functions. So first I'll create in currency c. For example, I need to convert from dollar to rupees. So I will create a function void dollar to rupee. And remember one thing, you need to keep the function in public void dollar to rupee. So why you need to keep this function in public? Because if it is in public, it can be accessed in main function. After I will rewrite the main function program, where I will be calling these functions to a main function. So that we need to keep it in public. Otherwise, you will be not able to call or access the function. So let's write a program for this. Before that, okay, let's write program. I will tell the user to enter any value in dollars. So what I just put it enter USD to convert into rupees into INR. So after that, I need to input the value from user. So to input the value from user in the program, I need to import the scanner package, which will be responsible to input the values from user. So I will import java dot util dot, you can write scanner also, or you may write everything which is star. I will use star. After that, you need to create a scanner class. So I will create scanner in equals new scanner system.in. So you can see now I have successfully created imported the package of scanner and created a class of scanner. Now I will input the value from user. So I will just write above all the functions. Otherwise, I need to write for each functions the Java class. Sorry, the scanner class. Now I will input from the user. So I will input in the format of double. I will input dollar, which is USD, equals in dot next double. So here I have written, and now I will convert this USD US dollar into Indian rupees. So INR, or we can just, I will declare before the variables, that is the variables which is USD, INR, Euro, Yen, anything after the class before only. So double INR, USD, and euros, and I have inputted USD from user. Now I need to convert this USD into Indian rupees, that is INR. INR equals, let's assume $1 is 82 rupees. I'm not saying exactly, I'm just assuming. So to convert the US dollar into INR, INR equals USD into 82. So I have converted it. Now I will print the value in INR. So just dollar plus USD plus INR plus. So I have written the program or function to convert a dollar to Indian rupees. So like the same, I will create the functions for all of this, like INR to USD, USD to Yen, Yen to USD, Euros to Yen, like that. So as you can see now, I have created the functions for all converters. Here is currency converters, here is distance converters, and here is time converters. You need to create the functions as I created dollar to Indian rupees. Using the same logic, you can write the functions for all converters. So after creating the packages, first you save every package. After that, you need to write a main function. So before writing main function, you need to import the class and the packages and the class inside the packages to the main function. So I will import the package name of currency is cc dot java dot the class name is currency c, cu currency c. So you can see I have imported for currency c. Like that only I will import for distance c, dc dot java dot distance c. So now I will import for time c, dc dot java dot time c. So you can see I have successfully imported, and after that you need to create a main class and main function. So I will create public class, public class, public static void main system.in system, sorry, public static void main string or just, and here I have created a main function. You can see the class here is showing error. So why? Because you need to give class a name, and the name should be the file you have saved, the file name which you have saved. I have saved the file as rec.java, you can see. So I will give the class name as rec. So now the error is gone. Inside this main function, you need to write your program. So first of all, to execute, I need to create objects in the name of this currency C, distance C. For each classes, I need to create object in main function. So I will create for first currency C. Currency C, I will give object name as obj equals new currency C. So I have created object for currency C. Now for distance C. Distance C, I will give name of object as obj1 equals new distance C. For time C, I will give object name as obj2 equals new times c. So I have created the objects for each classes inside these packages, and now I need to access the functions inside these classes. So I have created the objects, right? To access it, I have to write object name obj and use dot operator dot. I can call any functions now inside this class, which is currency C class. So let me call $2 rupee, $2 rupee. So you can see I have successfully called it. So let's try for obj1 dot, which is distance C. Sorry, obj1 is distance C. Using dot operator, I will call any function of distance C. So let me call meter to kilometer. So m to kilometer. So let's call from time C, which is obj2 dot operator. What we'll call minutes to hours. Minutes to hours. Now let's save it and check whether our program runs or not. So here you see it is working. First I have called $2 rupee. So enter USD to convert to INR. I'll enter 82. So $82 is equal to, I have done some mistake here. $82 is, I will add equal symbol here. So let's check now what has happened. Control S. I will just terminate this. So now you can see enter USD to convert into dollar. So I will enter 82. So you can see $82 is equal to 6724 INR according to our calculation, and enter the distance in meter. So I'll enter meter as 1000 meters. So you can see 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and number of minutes to convert to hours. Let's enter 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Let's check. So hours is equal to 1. So you can see I have randomly accessed the functions from each packages and it is working. Now I'll access every function inside these 3 packages. So as you can see now, I have accessed every function inside that 3 packages, which is currency converter, distance converter, and time converter. So let's check it now. I will save that and run it. So it is asking enter USD to convert into INR. 82 is this, rupee to convert. So I'll enter just 82 rupees. It's showing 1 point something. Enter in euros, 1 euros, which is 79, and rupees to convert to euros. I will enter 152 rupees, which is, you can see this is the value, and you can see the answer is coming in point decimal form because we have written in double. We have saved every variables in double, so it is coming like this, which is good in terms of accuracy. So 25n is equal to 14 point something, and rupees to convert to n, 12 rupees equals 21 something, and in distance in meter, 1000, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, 12 miles is equal to something, distance in kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to that miles, and enter the number of hours to convert to minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. To the number of hours into seconds, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So you can see every function is working properly. So if you have any doubt, comment down below, and if you want source code or program code of this program, you can check out the description. The link is available. You can visit it and you can do whatever you want. So bye.